I'm falling in love with
Nakakaligis ka na tulog.
ha?
Nakakaligis ka na tulog.
Oo, naman. Nilabanan ko lang ang ano, hinarap ko yung pagsubok. Peke yan ko ganun. Malagkit ng panapagod. Nasa karito.
Suwata.
Dahan-dahan hindi ko na malayan. Oh, I'm falling in love with you. Oh shit. Lagay pa. Marco the Bomb. Hello, Marco the Bomb. Hi, George Mills. Good night, Marco the Bomb. Hello, Jonstan. Jonstan. Where you from, guys? Yvonne Elsa.
80 ko, no?
Sige, okay, thank you.
Sinakit ako kan hanap eh.
Pag ikaw yung sinakit ka, mag-visit ka sa maid. Clear mo ba gaming yung balik ka mo?
Tangtangan dia thank you 3 likes. Alam ko nangangailangan kayo ko. Wow, sige ka man. So dahan-dahan lang. Hi, Blade Sun. Yeah. Swabby, swabby love. Swabby, swabby love.
Maramit ka.
Thank you. Swabby, swabby love. Thank you. Di ko akalain na dati pinagtatawanan lang. Ganun pa din. Ganun pa rin, pero lumamang na.
Pero parang hindi ka malaw pa niya. Kaya mag-improve mag-guran dito wala. Marami dito.
Swabe, swabe lang.
May gasaga.
I'm fine.
Huwag ka man niya ulod bro. Brown rice. Yeah.
Ready ho, green sili. You want? You like? Ikaw, bahala ka. Hi, water rat. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Suave, suave lang. Sitaw. I don't know how call it in vegetable. Hi, Sir Bell. Have a nice day, Sir Bell. How are you? You're working hard, Sir Bell. Wake up early. Wake up early, Sir Bell. Okay. You wake up early. You're working so hard. Need rest. Be off. Need be off. Di ko mapigilan. Gusto kita. Parang luto na ako dahil. Be careful, but don't burn yourself. Yes, but thank you, Sir Water Rat. I guess. Yeah, sleeping is means up. No work today. Yes, no need to work. Need to day off. Need day off, Sir Bell. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Health. Need day off. Jesus Lanas. Hi. I'm so hungry na. Iba kapag tunay ang pag-ibig.
Ano ito kakain?
Tulog. Oh, yummy na. Yummy. That's good. Pika. Just pika. I just... Ay, si Rowa. Pika. Just pika. Thank you. Hi, EDD. Mehmet, hello. Antonio Carlos. Hi, Team 2603. Kizia Katipay. Hi, Kizia Katipay. Thank you so likes.
Kaya nga, huwag ka lumabas. Nagre-ring-ring pa. Oh.
Oh, may 50 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Dahil lawang ang pusa na naman ah. Umalis ka dyan.
Thank you, Mojoy Lani. Present from Timor-Leste. Hi, from Timor-Leste. David Jacob. Hello, my friend from the United States of America. Thank you. Good night, team. Good night to you. Thank you for joining. Yummy. Smells so yummy now. Smells so yummy. Yes. Same here. Gutom na.
Malapit mo mo, dumi o. Oh, madirty mo. Oh.
Kuha na ito lang.
Thank you, 52 people in the house. Speaker and the speaker. Thank you. Niga. Hi, Niga.
Halo, gusto? Halo?
Oh my God, 60 people in the house. Salamat. Pa-likes. In Linda Amiga. Thank you. Abraham. 77. Daghan na lagi. Minsan wara, minsan daghan. Thank you. Pag Thank you so much. Malapit na. Hi, Edibabo. Are you married? Not yet. Di pa. Malapit na.
Sabi ni Dada!
Malapit na. Oh, sabi ko malapit na. Luto na ang Adidas niyo. Pero dito.
Uya, dito ako, di ba?
Mr. Valen. Hi, Mr. Valen. Oh, love. You look so good, darling. Hi, Kevin Benz. Thank you, Kevin. 80 people. You and
Han? Duduk lang.
Where from? I'm from Philippines. Hi, Bel Geddes. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you for joining. Hello. Ano, Ali, Netherlands. Who is that? Hi, from Netherlands. Thank you for joining. Hey there. Hi, Lakis. I'm fine, Lakis. Thank you for joining. Niga. Hi, from Brazil. Hey, Enrique. Thank you. Dada. Oh, thank you so much. What happened? Thank you, Sir Bell. You look beautiful. Thank you. Oh, sige, kunin mo na yung ano. Ako na Makulat pa niyo, bakala ka. Kung sabagay, masarap sa daan na baragang crispy. Thank you, 84 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Hindi niya.
Pinunasan pa, tama na yung kapya. Kika,
Tama na yun, masarap nga na yan. Ano, crispy. Ano ba? Iba lang po tayo.
thank you po.
You're welcome. Better go. Oh my God! 105 in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Oh my God. I don't care about your ano ha. I don't care about your cha-cha-cha. Left your... No, my goodness. Love you, got me all hot. Oh my goodness. Kuha ka dito, 5 kutsara dito sa mga apo. Dali. Come on, it's it. It. Thank you so much for joining everyone here. Boy, why you want me? Guys, guys, calm down yourself. It's just me. And look so hot. You turn me on. You turn on. Ano naman itong ano to? Gosh. Kao na guys. Kao na guys.
Kama.
Guys.
Huwag naman po.
Kumaon ka na guys.
Wala na ako, guys.
Wow. Kanya-kanya buhay ko. Oh my.
Remember ang right, babawal lang yun.
Alright. Suspika. Come on. Let's eat. Not wait. Oh my God. Come on, let's eat the... Be very respectful. Goodbye. Goodbye, Ibrahim. Thank you for joining. I can't take it anymore. You get me hard and follow. Oh my god, I don't like that. No, 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 no. L. L. Oh. So many trolls now. Thank you, 61 people. Hi, Carlos. Where are you from? Jerome. Musta? Why? I'm not okay. What happened? English dirang kay naka-translate man yan. Kay ang iba pasing lahi. Hindi ko maintindihan. Okay lang. Yun lang. Suspended ang practice namin. Okay lang yan. Kaya wala kaming practice kanina. Okay lang yan. Next time. Thank you for joining. Sorry. Then. Hi, my girlfriend, huh? I'm your girlfriend. Why? Why me?
Mag-slippers ikaw. Sinilas ikaw. Ay, sinilas mo din. Ay, sinilas mo. Ay.
Why? Yes. Mahulog ko.
Lalo.
Bro, this is zero. Kuha na lang.
Lalo, mahulog mama.
Cellphone ko yan daw sa mga
Ay. Sorry.
Ano kayo to? Video?
Tapos na ako magkaan.
Good ka ba?
Kita nag-busit to.
Ha?
Kalay busit sila to.
Hindi ako nakalive ako.
Huwag ka na. As masarap ka dito na kalay na cellphone.
Ano lang ito? Hindi ako yung touch.
Hmm?
Hindi.
Ninja?
Napanood sa YouTube sa Ninja Turtle ko yan to.
Ninja tutol.
Yes. Enjoy your heart.
Enjoy fighter.
Heart.
Ano ka na? Ano ka na?
Dito tayo. Dito tayo, Ash. Dito tayo, Ash. Mabato ka na naman. Dito kita. Hala. Ano ba? Ano na siya kayo aglo? Pangit na gayo aglo. Beautiful family. Thank you. Oo, tabi. I'm outside. Hi, Tony Campbell. Be nice, they're only the young ones. Thank you. Where are you from, Sir Tony? You're beautiful, my life. Salvador, where are you from? Salvador. Brisbane, Australia. Nice to meet you, Sir Tony Campbell. From Brisbane, Australia. Brisbane, wow. Hi, Evan Nelson, the Sam. Where are you from, Evan Nelson, the Sam? Eh, Sheryl, saan ka ngayon? Sa bahay. Business ka, ano? Yan, yung bahay. Nasa labas ako. I'm outside. Front of my home. Hi, Kanti. Kailangan ko i-translate kasi hindi ko naintindihan yung ibang ano. I can translate. I don't understand any language. Ano yun pala? Paliga? Wala. Mga kids dito kasi ano, mga bata. Mga bata. Kala ko mahuhuli. We can beat that. Anong ba yun? Talunin? Beat? Sana, ano? Sana, ano ni Raan?
Kasabay na recognition.
Oo.
Bigat ka na.
Sabay mo talaga yan.
Ay na, ang
Sabay mo.
Hapon sila. Hapon. Alas sa
Tapos alas sa isa ka.
106.
Diretso ha.
Ako. Yan natin yan nyo.
Sino yan?
Istoryan si Lulu niya.
Si Lolo Arad. Sister Cheryl, believe me, we will overcome this. Naka-English ka ngayon kasi naka-translate yan. Speaking dollar ka ngayon. Translated kasi hindi ko naintindihan yung comment na iba galing sa ibang platform. Hi, Sir Ben. Thank you, Sir Ben. Hello there, Cheryl. Happy International Women's Day. May always bless you, God. Always bless you. Thank you, Sir Ben. Sir Ben. Sir Ben. Kuya Dre Jollibee. Kuya Jollibee. Jollibee. You look so beautiful. Thank you, Ivan Nelson Sam. Hello, Maglila. Maglila? Thank you, Kuya Dre. Sure, thank you. Thank you, Sir Ben. for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you for the likes. You're welcome. God bless. Sir Ben, have a nice day. Pangiti-ngiti dyan ah. Larking ba? Thank you sa naka-heart. Thank you for those who sending the heart. Thank you so much. Wiggle your hips a little. Okay, I wiggle my hips. If it's $100. Gaga, hi Gaga. 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 There, I'm going to have my breakfast now and then I will get ready to go to church. Yes, Pastor Ben, thank you for joining. Have a nice day, po. Have a blessed Sunday. Thank you to do someone who's sending the hearts. Thank you so much. Salamat sa nag-heart. Hey, Goga. Where are you from, Goga? Goga. Daming pangalan. Yan po talaga. Kuya Tree, challenge 3 shots basketball now. Yes, that's your 3 shots. I practice the 3 shots. Oh my god. For $100. Hey Tony, K4I2C. Thank you for sounding the hearts. Thank you so much. Where are you from, Tony? Hi, Kanana, come here na. Uwi na tayo. Oh, come here. Himalantar fries. Hi. Himalantar fries. Malaman tantan. Ano, pilay si Kuya to nito. Market bomb. Hi, Vija. She's also my niece, Sir Cafe. Smeggy's Megger's son. You was up, Ling Ling. Ling Ling. Hello. Hey, Michael Bomb. Thank you for joining. Where are you from? Colleen. Hi, Colleen Maharaj. Welcome back. Long time no see. Ripe Son Olivera. Hi, Ripe Son Olivera. Marca the Bomb. Where you from, Marca the Bomb? Yes, I'm from Trinidad, in the Caribbean. It's Sunday morning here. Oh yes, Sunday morning there. Here night, Sunday night, evening. How are you? How are you, Colleen? I'm outside. Wow, because thank you for liking. Thank you for the likes. Say hi. Parehas ka mo ba do, Violet? Oh, parehas ka mo ba do? Kalay ba ko? Kaya mo nagpunta, no? Kaya mo nagpunta. Hi, beautiful face.
Pero, insarahan mo na ikaw.
Sige na, nakalive ako dito.
Ay, Shay,
Ha?
inasa mo na sa inyo yung card and baptismal?
Ha?
Inasa na sa iyo.
Oo.
Baptismal yan.
Oo. I-send ko sa imo.
Pa-print.
Ay, paprint ko. Ah, sige. Baptismal man lang ha.
Kasaga may piping, alas 3.
Kaka-ang parents. Ah, okay.
Doon sa chapel.
Aizel Martins. Hi, Aizel. Thank you for 2020 for the house.
Ako na kayo
Ano yan? Thank you for the like. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So like.
Tita!
Anong sayo na yun?
Tita! Tita, manisaya ko
ano na, sawa din mo kayo may gift ako sa wala.
Dali na. Dali na.
Sa graduation mo na.
Dali na.
Ayaw na lagon.
Sus, racing mo lang mula siya.
Kana baba.
Look, my name is May. Yung sa daan. Hello, mga guys! Guys! Hello, mga guys! Hi! For today's video, dito kami sa labas. At ito na naman sa labas. Tita, siguraduhin at siguraduhin
Sigurista man ninyo. Oh, may regalo talaga ako. What you want? What do you want?
Ano gusto mo daw?
Sige, sayo ka na sa
Hawak mo. Hawak mo. Ito hawak ko daw.
Hello, from California. I'm from Colombia. Hi, from Colombia. Luis is Filipinian. Beep, 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 beep. Ano pa ba yan? Beep, beep, beep. Ano nalay? Ano ito? Beep, beep, beep.
Tita, nakanta kami, ma. Mas po kami.
Hindi mo nakakaano. Ayaw na lang.
Yup. Ako yaw.
Hi, Sir Tony, BB Box. BB Box.
Ah.
Say hi, say hi.
Hi.
Flying kiss. Aslan! Ito na ako.
Teka, mag-aaral naman.
Ayaw ka na na, Ash! Ayaw ka na na.
Tita, saluhan pa ako na.
Ay, nako. Ay, nako, ayaw na. Beep, 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 beep. Hawak mo. Hawak mo ang bit, hawak mo ang bit. Hawak mo. Huwag kang makulit. Atin. Thank you for 28 people. Thank you for... Say hello.
Open.
Oh, yung tit, yung pipap, sakit ipin. Pag pipap, yung masakit ang ipin.
Okay.
Ang tit. I'm back. Hi, Kuya Jay. Thank you for joining, Kuya. Ipin. Pip, 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 pip. Si Tito, si Tito. Tito Jerry. Pip, 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 pip. Thank you po. Look. Hi, Golden. I have a baby now. Look. Baby. Newborn baby. Necklace. Necklace. Now you have a kid with a big forehead. Gila! Sika na! Sika na! Lagot ka. Look, his mother. Look. Golden! Golden! She's the mother of this baby. Lagot ka. Why is no forehead? Have big forehead. First the air, now the hand. My God, thinking of planning a trip to Philippines soon. Was going to wait until Burmans. Yes, oh my God. Good luck, Kuya Dre. Your baby beautiful. Yes.
Baby na siya.
Ikaw, may baby. What a cute baby. Yes.
Ato, bibiya.
Asin ang
Bibi.
Oh, Bibi, oh.
Bibi.
Bibi, who's Bibi?
To bibi.
Oh, Bibi. Mom looks so young. Yes, she still looks so young. Sis, you beautiful. Naguyag ka? Oh, sige na ka to na. Naguyag ka na. Batak ko.
Mom's
What
looks.
are you to hear, Cheryl? She's my niece. Pwede ka mo manahin mo doon.
Mabasa ka ang comment.
She's my niece. Golden. As it that yes, si Jollibee. Jollibee.
Hindi mo na.
Jollibee, yes, it's a Jollibee. My goodness. What are you?
Kuya Dre.
Okay, yes.
Greetings
From Paraguay. From Paraguay. The big hair, and the forehead. Oh my God, big forehead. Wait, how is hair? She's fine. She's still beautiful and she's fine. No worries. She's only 22 years old. Wait, how old is 22? Hello, Jollibee. Jollibee, busy. Babam! Dam, come here. So young, yes, she's so young. We're only 22 years old. Yes. 22. Bang bang! Makulit. Makulit. When you had your if you don't blind, if you, I asked you that, Cheryl. When you had your if you don't blind, huh? Kailan? If you don't mind, oh my God, if you don't mind, kid. And if you don't mind, if I ask you, what do you mean? I don't understand. Oh my God, can you say it so easy that sorry. What sorry? What you asking? Say it again. Say it again. When you had your kid, if you don't mind that question. When you had your kid. When I had a kid, when I'm pregnant when I'm 30 years old and I'm giving birth 31. I'm old. When I'm having a kid. Giving birth when I'm 31 years old. Pregnant 30 years old. So I'm old that time. First boyfriend, 24 years old. And that's the first boyfriend is the, so I'm very late. So it's fine. I'm 41 now, so it's not too late. I'm 35 with no kid yet. Wow. Not too late for the man. But for the woman, having an expiration for a woman, but for man, no expiration. When you can, even when you can, if you can, yes, man, no expirations. That the woman having an expiration, I got it. Yes. If the man can, can make a baby, something like that. But the woman, even if you want, doesn't work. Hi, Tony. 35 is getting too old for first baby. Yes, for women. For women. Yes po. Kuya Dre, when is raining season? Summer season na. Summer season na here. $35 is getting tall. Yes, for Lily. Yes, for the woman. Too risky. Because me, when I'm giving birth, my son, my first baby, it's very difficult. Hello, hi, hello, Evelyn. Nothing impossible. Yes, for lady. Yes, for lady. Yes. Hello, April. Sir Bell, I said, I think, Evelyn. Hi, G. Thank you, Evelyn. Are you? Thank you for joining. Don't wanna let her weather here. But a day is summer. Hot weather here, kuya. Okay. Kid playing game. Yes, kid playing game outside. The kids. I'm outside. Hi, Sir Dre from Aprilene. You're welcome, sister. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, the heart. Never been in the Philippines this time of year. Why, Kuya? We need to go here because the challenge. I need a $100 challenge. I'm practicing whilst they're even going. Julia Trey. I know I can. Lots of motor. The 3 points. Cheryl April asked a question. Yes? Wow. What the question? Wow. What for a $100 challenges? The 3 points. The 3 points. If I 3 points shoot basketball. The 3 points shoot the basketball. Kuya Dre challenged me. If I can, I can get $100. I'm practicing. That's why I always hit the basketball here in the front of the home. Hope you can do it, sis. Yes. I hope. Kuya Dre for $100. Practice, yes. Practice makes perfect. Thank you. I'm sure you can do it, yes. I hope I can do it.
Nakatingnan mo ako sa Jollibee.
Si Jollibee. Si Jollibee. Hi, Brother Robert. Hi, Sir Robert.
Hi! No!
Bella. No. Ben, hi, hello. Hi, Bobo. Hindi ko ay.
Hello! Ito ikaw! Ikaw!
Anuhan siya. Sabi, Ben. Oh, no. Ayun na.
Ikaw! Kaluwa! Ano nag-classic ako?
No. Sabihan mo, no. Irugan mo sa no. Sabihan mo, no.
Yes! Mag-say ka, yes! Say yes! 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 Yes!
Ciao, where are you from? Bicol. I'm from Bicol. I will help April, okay? Wait. Look like a storm is coming. Wait lang. Bicol. Where are you at in the Philippines? I'm Bicol province, Philippines. Oh, she can do it. Thank you, Kuya. Yes, I hope I can do it. Oh my God. Living here in the Bicol province, Philippines. Hello, they're Evelyn from Serban. Her. Look at that. No, just a windy here because province. Hello, Jollibee. The Jollibee. I'm here in the Bicol province, Philippines. She don't like the nickname. She's reading it now. You don't like the Jollibee. You like the Jollibee.
Yes, I like
Oh,
Jollibee.
she like Jollibee. Golden actually it's not important. She reading it now. Sorry, just late reading. Thank you. Thank you, Golden, Aprilline. Thank you, Kuya. Pray. Okay. No worries, sis. Hi, Sir Don. DJ. Just speak. Hello, my love. Love? DJ? Yes. DJ, your love, DJ? Hello, my love. Ang sweet, ah. Jollibee this. Yes, the Jollibee. The Jollibee. Wow. Don got a nickname, I guess. Got a nickname. Call DJ. Yes, DJ. There, Cheryl, your niece is beautiful. Thank you, Sir Ben. She's beautiful and taller than me. She's taller than me. Kuya DJ, how are you? Hello, Ben. How are you? Kuya DJ, how are you? May ko. Hello, Ben. Alam, kadara pa, nagkadaros mo sila. Okay, Golden from DJ. Kuya DJ! Yeah. Hi, Don. Just curious, sis, why you call him DJ? I call him DJ because Don Juan. Short, abbreviation of Don Juan. So long, Don Juan. Instead of calling him Don Juan, DJ. DJ. Ah, yes, that's why. Because sometimes lazy to call full name. My name is Sheryl. They calling me She. No, not Sheryl. They calling me here She. Hi She. Something like that. She. No, only She. not the whole, not the whole name. Instead of Sheryl Sheikh. Oh, that's the reason, yes. That's the reason why DJ. Don't be one. She's a rich
Shit.
shit.
OMG.
Oh my god. Jollibee had 1 million subscribers.
Mapuna mo.
Not yet 1 million. My goodness.
It's only 8.
Oh, subscribe Jollibee. For reaching the 10. 20 subscribers. Shit. Down. 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 G. Golden is a G. Gigi. Gigi. Galunggong.
Pagano ng Diyos ko.
Meron. Ay, nalit-ulit na.
Ay, ma, pwede yun.
Pwede yun. What that April? What is that? Thank you for the likes. Bye bye ladies, time for working at. Bye bye Kuya G, take care.
Time for working.
Time for work na. Take care Kuya. Okay, God bless. He was okay with that nickname, Lola. I don't like shit. Golden. Oh my god. What a shit. Shit. Only shit.
Ate Gina, one cheese program.
Huh?
One cheese.
Need to make up my mind when I come to the Philippines. Take care, Kuya Dre. Yes, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to the land of the Philippines. I prepare for the 3-point shot basketball for $100. Challenge. 3-point shot challenge. There, Cheryl, I'm going to church now. Bye there. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, Sir Ben. Take care. God bless.
Pero pag iyon sa diri ko, diri yun ka. Hindi ko alam.
Di man nga, sa diri man. Sabi kayo naman, nagagawin sa Papa, ikaw yun. Sa diri mo yun.
Kaya na nasabi ni Papa.
Bye-bye. Bye, San. Papa, ikaw yun. Sa diri mo.
Sa diri yung gagawin.
$200 if you drunk. Oh my god. $200. My god, I'm small. How I do that? How I do that, Kuya? I'm small. I'm 4'11". 200 for a dunk. I can't because I'm just 4'11". My god. Yes, $200 for that. Oh my god, I can't stand on something. Oh my god, better get to jumping. How I know? Can't abot. If I can do it, maybe a consolation prize. Jollibee. Because the effort, you know. If I failed, kuya, maybe just a consolation prize. Jollibee. Consolation prize. Kasi di nanalo. Hi, 55 Bob Crowley. Sir John! Hi, Sir John! And hi, Sheryl and Denise. Thank you, Sir John. Challenging Jollibee too. Okay. Jollibee, maybe she can because she's taller than me. Jollibee. She's taller than me. Maybe she can do it. Challenging Jollibee. Turkish Istanbul. Hi. 55 from Turkey. Turkey. Istanbul. Bye bye. Bye bye, kuya. Take care. Take care, kuya. Five. Thank you, 5. 5 kuya. Bye bye. You going to sleep na. Ano ba? At naman yung tago sa tingnan. Ikaw para kung ka na magano ah. Good job ah. Ano naman yung para sabi mo? No! Nanan sabihin. Oh my God. No, bum down. Ay, ano. Bawal naman bumbong. Wala may star mo. Star. Where's the star? The moon. In the moon and the stars. Star night. Where's the moon? Star. Okay, I'm out till later show. Going to sleep now. Okay, Golden. Sleep well. Good night. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Hey, little one, don't cry. From Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Just kidding. I think Golden. Oh my God. Good morning there. Morning there. Just kidding. My gulay. You missed the last one. The last one? What do you mean? You missed the last one. Do you know Istanbul? I know Turkey. Okay, night. Okay, thank you, Golden, for joining. God bless. Don't cry, big one. I'm not cry. I'm not. I'm not crying. I'm happy and smile. Sir John. Oh, Sir John, how about you? What happened on the last, did she scam you again? Or over the, here now, already? I need to go home na because I block her. Okay, that's good po, kuya. That's good po, Sir John. You block her. That's not good. I don't like her for you, Sir John. I'm happy you block her because she's not good for you, kuya. Sir John. There's a lot of good woman for you. She don't deserve you. She don't deserve having you. Thank you. You're always welcome po, Sir John. I want to introduce you my but I thought then when you said you already met someone and then I think you said you are in a relationship, so that's why I cut the oh my god, the respect of but for she's sad to hear from you, Sir John. She doing good, bad for you. That's not good. It's very sad because uh, be careful because of nowadays it's rare to trust. You need to know the person more. Why are you crying? Do I have an Instagram address? Do you have? Yes, I know po. Yes, po, Sir John. You're nice, Sir John, and you deserve to having someone that good for you. Not like her. She only just want the yes, we know that the money is important, but need the feelings and the love. That's it. If no love doesn't work the relationship. Only it's just only taking and you're not not the relationship is a give and take, something like that. The one that I got. After 2 days, she asking for $700. Oh my God, that's why it's very it's very alarming. That's why you need to be careful po. No need to ask because no need to ask because you can support here naturally. No need to ask. It's very it's very need. And good to know, good to you good decision because you block her because it's a red flag. That's a red flag, surgeon. She only wants the money, not the For 2 days, she asking for that for that money. My God, no need to ask. And good you don't give it to her. That's a red flag. Can you make a heart sign? I love you and Bafra. Heart sign? Heart sign. No way, yes. That's great po, Sir John. Thank you. That's where. Thank you for 37 people. Hit the likes. She must end millionaire. Yeah. Maybe she always do that. Maybe not only you. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. No hesitate to asking. Makahigo. Shout out from the Philippines. Hello. Sir John, Makahigo, she's my brother's channel. Salamat. Aray mo, aray ko. Monay. The Monay. Aray ko. Don't wanna let her go. To speak God. Don't. Okay, God. So, Sir John, you're single now again. Di ko na kaya ang humanap ang iba. Bella. Hi, Maru. Tulawa. Troyery. Hi, Troyery. Try. Thank you so much. Bakit? Crying baby. Okay, off to get my beauty sleep. Have a good night, try. And yes, I'm single. Oh. Sleep well, Sir John. Sleep well, Sir John. My God. Ano ba itong tumatawag na ko? Sleep well po, Sir John. God bless po. Always take care.
Kanya yun, kay mama.
Tukunay ka. Mami. Ang kulit naman ng ano na to. Hi, Popco72. Hello. Ay, sana hindi ako nakasama. Hindi ko lang nararamdaman sa panaginip ko na lang malalaman. Ngunit parang nandang ako kung mawawala ka. Ang taong hindi nakakalimot magpasalamat sa Diyos ay hindi rin makakalimot ang pagpalain ng Diyos. Tama. Why is so quiet? Yeah, you can talk.
Dali, may asking dito. Dali.
You can talk. Hello. Hi, Gatsby.
Boss. Boss.
Kawawa naman. Magkapatid. Nahawa ko. Ang hirap. Nakakaiyak naman. Isa na.
Baka mukha ko ang lipit doon.
You won't be able to sleep. Walang rewind sa totoong buhay. Tama.
Ay, nantapan, gulot doon. Hindi na nulot doon. Marana, paghulos lang ang paglinda ko doon. Lipat ka. Tandaan mo yun. Tandaan mo yun.
Thank you for teaching me how to live.
Ha? Ha? Tawang mo ikaw, ha? Tawang mo ikaw, ha? Lupit naman ang tiro na ganit mo. Magkahalis ito. Ha?
Tahimik na. Wala na kayo.
Ha?
Kumusta? Isang araw, kasama mo sa kuba. Da-da-da-da. Aray ko. Masarap daw sa pakiramdam piliin kaysa sa ano ba yan? Ang bandong mga taong ang kukulat. No. Oh, paluwaya, paluwaya. So never come back to me again. Trying to the best I can. Better to not to say. I will look. Speaker. Sorry. Sorry. Happy Women's. Happy Women's Day. Mama knew psycho bow. Paper brown. Oh, 15 people. Thank you so much. Where from? Allah.
Ibaba mo kasi ang damit mo. Sakit ang ganyan yan. Sobrang itaas mo lang.
Palaging ikaw ang nais makita. Kanya lagi ang aking nadarama. Kung bakit ako ang siyang minahal. Ibig mong tunay. Huwag mo lang sanang sasabihin. Iwanan ako at may babalik sa akin. Laging ikaw. Last.
Magsabi ka sa ako. Upo ka sa speaker. Ito bago ko. Converse na naman. Diba? Nagpupo na. Nagsasabi rin ko na po.
I can't say forever. Thank you for sending heart. Wait. Sorry. What happened? Ay, Dindin. Hi, sorry. Wait. Magkakapi ako. Wait lang, Dindin. Namumulan. Mulan. Mulan. Mulan na. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Sir Donnie. Hi, them. Kumusta? Wala. Live lang tayo muna. Thank you, 15 people. I'm not like. Wait.
Punas dito, punas. Punas.
I'm from Buenos Aires. Aires. And you? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Argentina. Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po. Good morning, Chris Letch. Hi, FP4517. Hello. Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you for joining, Sir Bell. Romania. Viurel Nestor. Viurel. Thank you for joining. Wow. From Romania. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you from Romania. A snake. Viurel Nestor. Thank you for joining from Romania. Me, I'm living here in the Philippines. Nice to meet you here. All good. Paulo. Naliligaw. Thank you. Well. Thank you,